Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay November 1, 2023 Wednesday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 p.m. result ngayong November 1, 2023 Wednesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 p.m. 3D Lotto 2 p.m. result ngayong Wednesday, November 1, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. 'See you again later for 5 p.m. result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for November 1, 2023, Wednesday. Tonight's jackpot price estimates for Grand Lotto 655 is 93 million pesos, and for Mega Lotto 645 the estimated jackpot price is 93 million pesos for Wednesday, November 1, 2023. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of November 1, 2023, Wednesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.